Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you the location of the underhood fuse box in this 2001 Ford Focus. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. With your hood popped, back behind the airbox is the underhood fuse box. You can release this lock tab right here, just pull up underneath, hinge this back. The back side here is a key. You can actually get a little tool to pull the fuses out. Just grab that, pull it off. Here's the fuses. You can check on the key to see which fuse does what. This one right here is for the fuel pump. I'm just gonna grab this fuse with the key, with the tool, squeeze it, pull it up. You can take a look at it, make sure it's not broken. It's working. It's a good fuse, so we're going to put it back in. Just slide it in position, push it down. Take this lock, this key again, and slide this into position, and then close the lid. Lock it back into place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.